In order to make your workflow faster, it's very handy to use keyboard shortcuts. So to learn about all of the keyboard shortcuts in Camtasia, you can simply go over here onto Edit and then to Preferences. So once you go to Preferences, you can see that there are Shortcuts tab right here. So you can find all the shortcuts right here. For example, there's Canvas option right here, like zoom in is Control plus equals and Control plus minus. So if I were to go over here and press Control and plus right here, that equals, it zooms in, and I press Control minus and it zooms out, just like this, as you can see. So I can also go over here on to, let's say for example, Preferences and go to Shortcut right here, change out the shortcut as I want. Let's say for example, if I want to go over here onto Canvas option, I can let's say for example, press a shortcut. I'm going to press Shift 6 right here. So that is going to be the new zoom in option. So if I were to press Shift 6 now, you can see that it zooms now out and zooms in. And if I were to press Control minus, it zooms out. So you can manually customize the keyboard shortcuts according to what is easy for you as well. So you can also restore out the default that restores everything else if you have messed up something. There's shortcut for timeline editing, for example, for group it's Control Z, for ungroup it's Control U. And if you use Camtasia a lot, it's very helpful to start using the keyboard shortcuts. So it really makes your workflow faster, because instead of searching through all of the UI for the options, you can simply hit that keyboard shortcut and then things are done for you. And that is how you can search, edit, and use keyboard shortcuts inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.